Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Communication skills become more clear. Concise Lecture 9. Conflict resolution and difficult conversations. Conflict resolution. The art of managing difficult conversations. Techniques for managing conflicts and difficult conversations. Expressing concerns and feedback constructively. Active listening and empathy in conflict resolution. Negotiation and compromise strategies for win-win outcomes. Building effective relationships through open and honest communication. Conflict resolution. The art of managing difficult conversations. Conflict is inevitable in life, but it doesn't have to be a negative experience. In fact, mastering conflict resolution and difficult conversations can lead to positive outcomes in both personal and professional settings. By learning the art of managing difficult conversations, you can improve your communication skills, build stronger relationships, and achieve win-win outcomes. In this presentation, we'll explore various techniques for managing conflicts and difficult conversations, express concerns and feedback constructively, highlight the role of active listening and empathy in conflict resolution, introduce negotiation and compromise strategies, and emphasize the importance of open and honest communication. Get ready to develop your conflict resolution skills and take your relationships to the next level. Techniques for managing conflicts and difficult conversations. Reframing is a technique that involves changing the way we think about a situation to create a more positive or productive outcome. For example, instead of thinking of a disagreement as a personal attack, reframing it as an opportunity to learn from different perspectives can help de-escalate the conflict. Active listening involves giving our full attention to the speaker and demonstrating understanding through verbal and nonverbal cues. This technique can help build trust and empathy and create a more collaborative environment for resolving conflicts. Assertiveness, on the other hand, involves expressing our needs and boundaries in a clear and respectful manner without infringing on the rights of others. Expressing concerns and feedback constructively. Expressing concerns and feedback constructively is an essential skill in both personal and professional elements. It allows us to communicate our needs effectively while maintaining respect for others. To do this, we must approach the conversation with clarity, empathy, and respect. Clarity means being specific about the issue at hand, while empathy requires understanding the other person's perspective. Respect involves communicating in a way that is non-judgmental and non-threatening. One approach to providing constructive feedback is the sandwich technique. This involves starting with a positive comment, followed by the concern or issue, and ending with another positive comment. For example, "I appreciate your hard work on this project. However, I have some concerns about the timeline, but overall, I think you're doing a great job." This technique helps to balance criticism with positive reinforcement and can make the feedback easier to receive. Active listening and empathy in conflict resolution. Active listening and empathy are key skills in conflict resolution. By actively listening to the other person's perspective and empathizing with their emotions, you can build trust and understanding even in the midst of disagreement. To develop your active listening skills, try focusing on the speaker without interrupting or judging, summarizing what they said to ensure you understood correctly, and asking open-ended questions to encourage them to share more. To cultivate empathy, try putting yourself in their shoes and imagining how they feel, acknowledging your emotions, and expressing genuine concern for their well-being. Negotiation and compromise strategies for win-win outcomes. In any conflict, it's important to remember that win-lose outcomes are rarely sustainable or satisfying. Instead, negotiation and compromise strategies can help achieve win-win outcomes that benefit all parties involved. Collaboration and creativity are key components of successful negotiation and compromise. By working together to identify common goals and interests, parties can find mutually beneficial solutions that address everyone's needs. Building effective relationships through open and honest communication. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful relationship, be it personal or professional. Open and honest communication creates an atmosphere of trust and mutual respect. which in turn leads to stronger relationships. Transparency, vulnerability, and trust are key components of open and honest communication. Transparency means being upfront and honest about your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Vulnerability means being willing to share your fears, insecurities, and weaknesses with others. Trust means having faith in someone's ability to keep your best interests at heart. By practicing these qualities in communication, we can build deeper connections with those around us.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.